what we must do. Please, Dr. Amos.
Thank you, Waziri. Let me start by explaining what self-quarantine is. Self-quarantine means that you are in a room of your own, well ventilated, as I explained last time, probably open windows. Best case scenario is that you have separate hygiene or toilet facilities. In case that is not possible, then after each and every use of the toilet facilities, then you require decontamination, which you can easily be able to do with jik. You take 1 part jik, maybe 1 cup jik, 6 cups of water, and you can be able to use that to be able to clean the toilet. You also, during the self-quarantine period, in case you have a coexisting medical condition, you need to have your medicines ready with you for the next 14 days. If you are working, it means you don't go to work for the next 14 days, and you keep to your room. If you are supposed also to clean your linen, your tables, your bed, you can use the same 1 part jik, 6 parts water for decontamination. You are not supposed to share any of your toiletries, your utensils, things like toothbrushes. You should use your own. That is basically what self-quarantine is.